Okay, so here's the ESTVE or voice evac. As you can see, it's having trouble. The thing is, when you, you hear the beeper, I kind of silenced the tone, the beeper's volume down a little bit. But what you can see is, if I try to press local silence, which is right there, it does nothing. Reset does nothing. Alarm silence does nothing. Drill does something. This is the disable button. Disable. And as you can see, here's the voice evac card. Of course, nothing's working. So, as you can see, status, nothing's working. Now I flip the amplifier on. Attention, please. Attention, please. This is a test. This is a test. As you can see, nothing works. So, as you can see, I've also pulled the fire alarm and tested the smoke detector. None of them work. And it's very unfortunate, but FSI, the company who was supposed to help me with this, has not responded to any of my calls. And also when I call them, it says call disconnected. Every time I call them, I called them 10 times in the last month, and they still won't pick up the phone for some reason. They said that's very common for them to do that. That's very unfortunate though. Also, this is the new key I was given for the EST panels. So yeah, that's the unfortunate part of that.